At GES Biotek, our startup and inspection services lay the foundation for optimal biofilter performance. From initial site inspections to media specification to ongoing maintenance and testing, we ensure every detail is meticulously planned and seamlessly integrated. GES Biotek handles the removal of your old media and the installation of all piping, ductwork, components, and other equipment. We prime and epoxy coat surfaces, deliver and load the new media, and inject nutrients, ensuring that your biofilter will run at peak performance from the start. After installation, GES Biotek provides full unit inspection services to ensure your biofilter continues functioning optimally. Irrigation system inspection, control system and component testing, smoke testing, and performance verification services all help us guarantee your system performs to spec. By leveraging GES Biotek's startup and inspection services, you ensure peak performance and efficiency. Contact us today to learn how we can elevate your project. Together, let's unlock your biofilter's full potential.